Hello students, this is Swati Deshpande Teacher. Today I will be covering one more important topic from 8th Standard Scholarship Mathematics section. The name of the topic is, simple interest and compound interest. See students, this particular chapter is based on formula. So you should know all the formulae which are there as a part of this particular chapter. Okay, because questions are going to be very straightforward. We have to make use of that formula, substitute the values and arrive at the answer. Only few times, very rarely they have a twisted questions. Okay, I have covered few important sums in this video, so I hope it will help you. Okay, let's begin. The first sum will appear on your screen. In how many years will the principal be 2.25 times at the rate of 10% per annum simple interest? Basically, this is a sum of simple interest. They have not given us principal, neither they have given us interest. Okay, and they are telling us to find out n. See, simple interest formula is PRN or PNR, whatever, upon 100. This order of these variables do not matter actually, because they are all multiplied with each other. Or what are they saying? Whatever is the principal, that is becoming 2.25. Means if principal is 1, amount, ultimate amount, that is principal plus interest, that will be 2.25. That is what they are saying. See students, here you can assume as x, then this will be 2.25x. I can assume this as 100, then this will be 225, right? Because 225 into 2.25 into 100, that is 225. So you can do it anyway. So here I am assuming it as just 1. If principal would have been 1, then amount would have been 2.25, right? I can write even like this, so you will know. 2.25 times of principal, which they have mentioned in the sum. Okay, why amount has gone up to 2.25? See, amount is equal to P plus I. Amount they are saying is 2.25. P is 1 plus I. So I is what? 2.25 minus 1. That will give me I. That is equal to 1.25. Right? 2.25 minus 1. That will give me 1.15. Now I have I have P. Rate they have given as 10%. I have got 3 variables. By using this formula, I can find out n, or other n formula also we have. N is equal to I into 100 upon P into R. So you can put here also, substitute figures or values here or here, doesn't matter. This is derived from this only. So interest is 1.25 into 100 upon principal is 1 into rate is 10. Okay, 1 0 gone. If you don't want this decimal, shift it here. But when you are jumping 2 times, you have to keep 2 zeros here. Don't forget that. So it is 125 and this 1 0 can go with this. So only 10 is remaining, 1 and 0. So answer is 12.5 years. 12.5 years. Right? So easy. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. Next sum will appear on your screen. A principal doubles in 5 years at a particular rate of simple interest. In how many years will the amount of the same principal at the same rate will be 3 times the principal? Students, remember, whenever principal and rate of interest are same, the interest and the number of years, they are directly related. What does it mean? When the principal is same and the rate is also same, the different period will have different interest, right? But they will be directly related. If this is double, then this also will be double. This is half, then this one also will be half. They will be in same proportion. That same trick we are going to use here. So this particular sum you should get answer in 3 to 5 seconds, not more. Okay, let's do it. What are they saying? The principal doubles in 5 years at a certain rate of interest. Principal double means if it is 100, it becomes 200. Why it becomes 200? This is principal, this is amount. See, I am showing you here step by step. That's why we are going to take more time. But when you know this concept, actual time to solve this particular sum will be very, very less. What are they saying? Principal doubles. Okay. Means 100 का 200 होता है. मतलब interest कितना है? A minus P, that is 100. Right? Means P is 100, I is also 100. In 5 years. This happens in 5 years. Then the same principal at the same rate of interest be 3 times in how many years? This was double. Now they want to know same principal, that is 100 should become 300. Means I is what? 200, right? I is what? A minus P. So 200 in how many years? This is their question. Observe, 100 ka 100 in 5 years, 100 ka 200 in how many years? This is double, isn't it? This is into 2. So obviously period also into 2. So 10 years is the answer. So easy. Very, very easy. Students, practice this kinds of sum. Remember one thing, in such types of questions where principal and rate are same, the interest and the number of years, or that is period, are directly related. Okay, let's go ahead. Next sum will appear on your screen. The population of a village increases by 10% every year. Its population at the end of 2015 was 7986. What was its population at the beginning of 2013? Students, remember, whenever there is a same increase every year or same decrease every year, we are supposed to use the formula of compound amount. Okay, what is that formula? A is equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 raised to N. In case there is an increase every year, this will be plus. If there is decrease, population increases every year, then plus. If the value of the asset decreases every year, then there is minus. For decrease there is minus, increase there is plus. Only that is the difference. Otherwise this is a formula. So this is increased figure after so many years, and this is the beginning figure. Okay, so here what they have given, they have given us 2015 end ka figure, that is A they have given us 7986. P we don't know, they are telling us to find out P. R is how much? 10%. And N is, be careful, they are saying beginning of 13 and 2015 end is 7986. So actually years involved are not 2, they are 3. Please be careful there. Now once we know this, just substitute in this formula. A is 7986 is equal to P we don't know, so 1 plus R upon 100 raised to 3. Okay, 7986 is equal to P, this 1 0 gone, and then here it is upon 1, so into 10 LCM in short, or making the denominator 10, so this will be 10 plus 1 upon 10 raised to 3, that is P into 11 upon 10 raised to 3. So 7986 is equal to P into 11 upon 10 into 11 upon 10 into 11 upon 10, 3 times. So 7986, bring this 10 on top this side, Just leave P, our aim is to leave P, leaving P alone there, right? So this, whichever were down will go up here. And these 11 were in the numerator, they will be denominators here, right? P. This number is divisible by 11. You should know the divisibility of 11 here, okay? 11 ones are 11, 11 sevens are, 2s are, and then 6 are. 726 is also divisible by 11. So 11 ones are, 11 6s are, then again 6 are. 11 ones are, 11 6s are. 6 into, see, 6, 10, 10, 10. So it is 6000. Answer is P is equal to 6000. See, there is one more method which is based on base 100. Beginning of 2013, and we have to come to 2015 end. That is, if this is beginning, we have to go up to beginning of 2016, right? End of 2015 means beginning of 2016. Let's assume it as 100. If P is 100, then 10% increase, that is 10. So it will be 110 in 2014. Then again 10% of 110, that is 11, because it is compound interest. This is the formula of compound interest, right? So interest will change, it will go up. So it is 121 in 2015. Then again 10%, that is 12.1, that is 133.1. In 2013 beginning, if it is 100, then at the end of 2015 it will be 133.10, right? So if it is 7986 here, then how much will be 100? Or other beginning of, actual beginning of 2013. So cross multiplication here. So I am writing it here, students. Cross multiplication, so 100 into 7986 upon 133.1. Okay, if I don't want this decimal, I will shift it this side. So one more 0 I need to increase here. That's it. Now 1331 is a cube of 11. If you don't know, apply the divisibility of 11. You will know 1331 is divisible by 11. So let's divide. 1s are, then 2s are, then 1s are. Then here it is 7, 2, 6, then 11, 11s are 121, and here it is 66, 11 ones are, 11 6s are, so here it is 6 and 1000, so it is 6000. This we have done taking into consideration the 100 family, that is the base of 100. Okay, this method and this method both are correct. This is on the basis of 100, this is on the basis of formula. Okay, I told you same sum can be solved in multiple ways. As long as your method is correct, you are bound to get or you are going to get correct answer. Right? चल आगे बढ़ते हैं. Naseem deposited rupees 12,000 in a bank for 3 years at a rate of 10 PCPA compound interest. What amount will she receive from the bank at the end of the term? Okay, not necessarily always we borrow from the bank. Here she has deposited, so she is going to earn interest. Deposited 12,000 means P is 12,000, N is 3 and R is 10. Once you know this, to find out amount, compound amount, the formula is raised to n, right? They are asking us amount. What is the amount? They are not asking us interest, right? What amount will she receive from the bank? That is the amount. So let's substitute the values. Right? This 10 will go, and again making the denominators equal, very simple. That is 11 upon 10 raised to 3. So it is 12,000 into 11 upon 10 3 times because it is cube. Then these 3 zeros will go with these 3 zeros. Ultimately what is remaining is this. Answer is this. Right? 11 cube is 1331 and then multiply it by 12. In case you don't know, just multiply 121 into 11 and then 12, whatever combination. Multiplication you have to do. Okay, let's go ahead. Next sum will appear on your screen. If rupees 10,000 amounts to rupees 13,310 in 3 years at compound interest, find the rate of interest. Students, in earlier sum we found out the amount. Here they are asking us to find out the R, that is rate. Okay, formula is same. Let's do it. What have they given us? P is 10,000 because that is the beginning amount, right? Then amounts to 13310. N is 3 years. Rate they are telling us to find out. Since they have given the amount, we will use the formula of amount. No need of compound interest ka formula. Just write down the formula first. Substitute the figures or values. R we need to find out, so we don't know R. N is 3. Okay. First bring this 10,000 here. This is multiplication here, so it will be division. So it will come down here and remaining will remain here. Here again you can make the denominators equal. So denominator will look like this, numerator will look like this and denominator will look like this, 100 raised to 3 as it is. Okay. Then 100 cube we know how to write. This 100 cube which is down, so we are taking it that side of equal to. So it will be in the numerator now. So 100 into 100 into 100, 3 times 100 cube. That will be equal to 100 plus R the whole cube, because that is remaining. Whatever is in the numerator, that will remain. Denominator we are taking it that side 3 times. Now first cancel whatever is possible. Zeros. Okay. Now what is remaining? 13310 into 100 is equal to 100 plus R cube. We need to observe these numbers. 1331 is 11 cube. If this into 10, if I shift it this side, it will be 1000. So I can rewrite this as this without changing the value, isn't it? This should be observed. No need of writing at the time of examination. I am writing it here because we are in the learning process. This is 11 cube. This is 10 cube. And this is 100 plus R cube. So cube root of everything will be 11 into 10. That is 110. That is equal to cube root of this 100 plus R cube. Uska cube root hai 100 plus R. If 110 is equal to 100 plus R, therefore R is equal to 110 minus 100, that is 10 PCPA. This is 110, right? 11 into 10, 110. And here this side 100 plus R. So our equation is 110 is equal to 100 plus R. Then bring 100 this side by minusing. So R will remain on one side. So R is equal to 110 minus 100, that is 10%. So easy, isn't it? Okay students, let's go to the last sum which will appear on your screen. Ramoji borrowed rupees 2,40,000 for business for 3 years at 10% per annum, compound interest. Had he borrowed the same sum for the same period at the same rate of simple interest, how much less interest would he have to pay? Okay, this is a combination of two sums. With the same information, we need to use both the formula CI and SI, right? Here P is 2,40,000, right? 2,40,000. and n is 3, r is 10. Ci is p1 plus r upon 100 raised to n minus p. Si is PNR or PRN upon 100. Okay, let's substitute the figures. 2,40,000, 1 plus 10 upon 100 raised to 3 minus 2,40,000. So this is 2,40,000. Then same way here, 100, 1 0 gone. So here again I am making both the denominators equal. So 11 upon 10 raised to 3, 2,40,000. So this is into 11 upon 10 into 11 upon 10 into 11 upon 10 minus 2,40,000. These 3 zeros will go with this. 240 into, by now you know, 11 cube is 1331. Okay, minus 2,40,000. First we need to multiply this 240 into 1331 and then (240,000) minus from that. So our answer is 79,440. You just see, calculate and see yourself. Okay, no spoon feeding here. See this, multiply this and see. Okay, now SI, P is 2,40,000, then N is 3, R is 10 upon 100. Cancel these zeros first. What is remaining? 2400 into 30, that is 72,000. So see, he has borrowed money on compound interest basis, so he will have to pay 79,440 interest. But if he would have borrowed on simple interest basis, he would have paid only 72,000. So less. So what is the difference? How much more he has to pay? 79,440 minus 72,000. So answer is 7,440. That is the answer. This much amount he will have to pay more. Right? Students, again I repeat, simple interest and compound interest. This chapter is based on formula. So please see all the formulae involved in here. Okay? Because questions are going to be based on formulae. Okay? In case you have any query, any doubt regarding this particular chapter, mention them in the comment section. I will definitely try to solve your queries. Okay? Students, we are through with this important chapter. If you enjoy my videos, students, don't forget to share them with more and more students. And in case you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so. And if you like my videos, don't forget to give a like and comment on them. I like to read your comments. Okay? I will come with the next video very soon. Till then, what are you supposed to do? Now you all know very well. Study well, and very important thing is correct. Enjoy studying. Bye.